The mystery of the worldwide hum. Our world is a noisy place. Everywhere we go there is a veritable cacophony of noise pervading our surroundings, ranging from the sound of civilization, with its factories, construction, airplanes, and myriad vehicles with their roaring engines and speaking their language of honks and beeps, to the natural sounds of the wind, animals, and the earth's various activities. Even in the realm of things we cannot physically hear there is noise, with the atmosphere saturated by all manner of low-frequency sounds both artificial and natural, as well as the countless waves and transmissions that give us our radio, TV shows, satellite information, and cell phone usage. Yet even beyond this there seems to be something more creeping about in the background, some ill-defined and persistent noise that only some can hear and which remains unexplained. What has come to be mostly referred to as simply the hum, or sometimes the worldwide hum, is a blanket term for a series of mysterious, inexplicable auditory phenomena that has emerged all across the world, and which typically entails a low-frequency, persistent bass droning or rumbling noise, heard both indoors and outdoors, and with no readily identifiable source or origin. It is difficult to track down just when the phenomenon started, but it has apparently been around since at least the 1940s, when hundreds of people in the London and Southampton areas of Great Britain complained of a noticeable drone, and probably since much earlier. The 1950s and 1960s also saw the hum become widely publicized in the news and entering the public consciousness with various other reports from all over Great Britain, and in the 1970s there was a veritable media circus over the odd, persistent sound in Bristol, England, where complaints flooded in when many residents reported hearing it. The phenomenon would continue in Great Britain into the 1980s, where it was widely heard by residents in Largs, Scotland, a coastal town about 31 kilometers west of Glasgow. The hum made perhaps its most famous debut in North America in 1992, when people in and around the town of Taos, New Mexico, began to report the sound, which has since become known as the Taos hum, and is probably the most well-known location for the phenomenon. The hum phenomenon cannot be heard by everyone, and it has been estimated through studies in the US and Great Britain that only about 2% of the population are actually susceptible to it, both male and female, and usually those of middle age or older. What is at the heart of the worldwide hum phenomena? Is this the result of artificial or natural frequencies or phenomena that some people are just more inclined to be sensitive to, or maybe some effect that we have yet to come to a clear understanding of? Is it some sort of radio waves or electromagnetic or sonic interference? Is it secret government experiments or weapons, aliens, or something more paranormal in nature? Perhaps at some point we will have more of an idea of what lies behind this strange background noise that seems to permeate some locations throughout the world and unravel its mysteries, but until then it will rumble on with its origin and purpose. Unknown anomalous noise, anomalous sounds, bizarre, modern mysteries, natural world, Taos, hum, the hum.